Got a pack of instant noodles? Perfect. Don't settle for plain tonight. We're turning this into something creamy, savory, and totally irresistible. This takes instant noodles to a whole new level. Creamy, smoky, carbonara-style comfort. First, grate some fresh Parmigiano-Reggiano. That's the heart and soul of real carbonara. Separate 3 egg yolks and whisk them with the cheese until smooth and creamy. Set it aside. We'll use it in a minute. Now heat a pan over medium-low and spread out your pancetta. Let it slowly render and crisp. That golden fat, pure flavor. When it's beautifully crispy, scoop out the pancetta and save both the meat and the oil. While that's happening, cook your instant noodles in boiling water. At the same time, in the same pan, no washing, add a little of that pancetta oil. Toss in chopped shallots and saute for about 60 seconds until fragrant. Add a few chili slices and a touch of garlic paste for a quick kick. Add a splash of hot noodle water and stir well. Then add the dried veggies and half the instant noodle seasoning packet. Mix everything together. When your noodles are just shy of al dente, drop them straight into the pan and stir well. Turn off the heat. Pour in your egg and cheese mixture and stir fast. Keep it moving so it stays creamy. Add a little noodle water until the sauce turns silky and glossy. Serve it on your favorite plate and finish with a crispy pancetta, a drizzle of that golden oil, and a sprinkle of green onions. And there it is, instant noodle carbonara style. Creamy, smoky, and unbelievably good for something that takes just 15 minutes. It's quick, cozy, and guaranteed to make you forget it even started as instant noodles. Fast comfort food can still feel fancy.